Hi, my name is Jules and I'm the founder of an e-commerce business called Sweet-As-Pup. We're an online store for dog treats, accessories and gifts in New Zealand. I always decided I needed an accountant really early on in my business because I knew I wanted to grow, and I know everyone kind of says, oh, you know, wait till you're over 60k a year kind of thing. But I was like, I already know and want that target, so I want to engage an accountant really early on. I had a big traditional accountant from a massive nationwide accounting firm, two amazing guys, but they didn't really understand e-commerce. So when I started with them, we were talking about reconciling Shopify fees and things like that, and they got me to download an app. Now I had this app all year long, and we got to the end of the year, it had disconnected during the year, it was sending across contacts for each individual e-commerce customer, like my Xero was full of these things, and I said, hey guys, like what is this app for? And they're like, oh, we don't use that. And I said, this has cost me $30 a month all year, and I'd been reconciling all my Shopify's fees manually. They had me downloading these spreadsheets, plugging them into Xero. My generalist accountant did understand accounting really well, but I just didn't feel like they really understood the type of business I was doing. Like they didn't understand how Shopify worked, they didn't understand the fees and things that had to be taken off before I got my payouts. So what actually appears in my bank account isn't exactly what I have earned from the customer. And I just thought there's got to be a better way, like there's got to be something that actually syncs up, and then there's got to be an accountant that understands e-commerce. So I was referred to Brad at Wise Advice, and literally in the first half-hour intro call, I got so much out of just the intro call, like, oh wow, that should be that, and there's something for this, and everything he knew was specific to e-commerce and my business. Also the way he was engaging with me, I could tell he was actually going to drive my business, whereas my previous accountant was very passive, you know, just kind of in the background. He actually looks out for opportunities, so he actually feels like a partner to my business rather than just a passive accountant I see once a year. My accountant understands e-commerce, and I actually kind of can't put a value on that because he gets there's always an easier way to do something, and it may take you like half an hour to find that initially and to set that up, but then it's done. Now A2X is all connected up into my Xero, which my accountant did, and I just see it in there. I can just click reconcile, like the system recognizes it. I don't have to think, I don't have to do anything, I just hit buttons and it works. I can trust that it's all there and that things aren't being missed. I have more visibility over my numbers, and I can look and see, oh, this might be GST to pay this month. And so accounting has actually become a lot quicker and less painful for me because they've just automated everything and made it really easy. And that's how it should have been from the beginning.